Hello and welcome to this first lecture of the overview section of Building Excellence in Product Management. I am Arun Singhal, your management coach and mentor with 40 years of experience in people development. So in this section, what we're going to do is to give you an overview of how can you build excellence in product management function. At the end of this lecture, you will learn what are they looking for, they meaning the companies in a product management professional, and what are the excellence requirements in a product management professional or a function. So what do you think? What are they looking for in a product management role? Any thoughts? Okay. So when I looked at all those job description of product managers or product management professionals over the years across the company, I got a big list of things that they're looking for. It starts with developing go-to-market strategies for geographies and industries, developing business goals into new product plans, features, business goals, developing marketing strategies, formulating and implementing innovative strategies for existing products, ensuring that the products are marketed the right way, positioning the product, driving product improvements, delivering the product and the quality of the product, pricing, promotions, running various internet advertising or digital marketing programs, using various online formats, creating collaterals, and developing new high-quality products and solutions on time, defining and designing product features, identifying trends, competition analysis, measuring user analytics, understanding customer needs, monitoring sales and profitability for the products, annual budgeting, and brand building. So what are the excellence requirements in a product management from this big list of things that the industry or the management is looking for in a product management professional? Let's look at what a product manager is expected to achieve and how did it evolve over the years. It started with when the business was single product business, the business manager or the head of business managed the product functions by themselves, the product management functions by themselves. As they grew in complexity, as they had multiple products, they started facing the challenge of growth not happening across all products. And they created this function called product management. And the product managers came into being. And they were expected to build strong, profitably growing businesses for his or her products assigned, right? So that the business continued to grow rapidly and the business manager exploited the potential of all of his product portfolio. So can we then say the product management professional excellence requirements are to build strong, profitable business for his or her products by doing a couple of things. Gaining market share, if you have a small market share, or growing market faster than competition if you have a dominant market share. Building them into a strong brand so that people come back to you again and again and you can realize good amount of revenue as well as price so that you make profitable business. Delivering profit as agreed with the business, formulating and implementing innovative strategy for his or her products, and introducing successful new products. So that seems to be the excellence requirement from product management. So what are we going to do in the next lecture? So if these were the core excellence requirement, why not take a look at them in the next lecture? So thank you so much for watching this video, the first lecture of the overview section of Building Excellence in Product Management. I hope you have beginning to enjoy this course by this first lecture, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next lecture.